Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 70 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the apps. Then let's tap on see all 101 apps. Of course, this amount is, in my case, you can have different one. And then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Then let's tap on reset up preferences, and here your device is informing you what it will actually reset, so among others disabled app notifications and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps, and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.